Japan is one of the most fascinating countries in the world, but it is also one of those places where a little preparation can completely change your travel experience. Welcome to the Wanderer Atlas. Today, we're covering 10 things you need to know before visiting Japan. Number 1. Japan is extremely organised, but you need to plan ahead. Japan is easy to travel once you understand the system. Trains are reliable, cities are safe, signs are often available in English, and major tourist areas are well connected. But popular places can get crowded, especially Tokyo, Kyoto, Osaka, Mount Fuji areas, and famous cherry blossom or autumn foliage spots. If you want good hotels, better prices, and smooth transport, book early. Japan rewards travellers who plan ahead. Number 2. Public transport is your best friend. Japan's train system is one of the best in the world. In major cities like Tokyo and Osaka, trains and subways can take you almost anywhere. Between cities, the Shinkansen bullet train is fast, comfortable, and efficient. Before buying a Japan Rail Pass, compare your route. The pass is useful for some long-distance trips, but not every traveller needs it. If you are staying mostly in Tokyo or only visiting one extra city, individual tickets may be better. Number 3. Get an IC card. An IC card like Suica, Pasmo or Icoca can make travel much easier. You can use it for many trains, buses, convenience stores, vending machines, and small purchases. Instead of buying a ticket every time, you tap in and tap out. It saves time and makes city travel smoother. Number 4. Cash is still useful. Japan is modern, but cash is still important in some places. Small restaurants, temples, local shops, markets, and countryside areas may not always accept cards. Carry some yen with you, especially outside big cities. Convenience store ATMs are usually useful for withdrawing cash. Number 5. Convenience stores are amazing. Japanese convenience stores are not like normal convenience stores in many countries. They are clean, reliable, and surprisingly good for travellers. You can find meals, snacks, coffee, desserts, toiletries, ATMs, tickets, and basic travel needs. For budget travellers, convenience stores can save time and money. Number 6. Respect local etiquette. Japan values politeness, quietness, and respect for shared spaces. Speak softly on trains. Do not eat while walking in busy public areas. Stand on the correct side of escalators depending on the city. Wait in line properly. Follow signs at temples and shrines. Be respectful when taking photos. You do not need to be perfect, but effort matters. Number 7. Trash bins can be hard to find. This surprises many first-time visitors. Japan is very clean, but public trash bins are not everywhere. You may need to carry small trash with you until you find a bin at a convenience store, station, or hotel. Bring a small bag for wrappers or bottles when exploring. Number 8. Food is more than sushi. Japan's food scene is incredible. Sushi is famous, but there is so much more. Ramen, udon, soba, tempura, yakitori, curry rice, okonomiyaki, takoyaki, katsu, onigiri, bento boxes, and regional dishes. Each city has its own food personality. Osaka is known for street food, Kyoto is great for traditional dining, Fukuoka is famous for ramen, Hokkaido is loved for seafood and dairy. Do not eat only in tourist areas. Some of the best meals are simple local places. Number 9. Choose your season carefully. Japan changes beautifully by season. Spring is famous for cherry blossoms, but it is also expensive and crowded. Summer can be hot and humid, but it has festivals and mountain escapes. Autumn is one of the most beautiful times, with colourful leaves and comfortable weather. Winter is perfect for snow, hot springs, skiing, and quieter city travel. There is no bad season, but there is a best season for your travel style. Number 10. Do not rush too much. Many travellers try to see Tokyo, Kyoto, Osaka, Mount Fuji, Hiroshima, Nara, Hakone, and more in one short trip. Japan looks small on a map, but every destination deserves time. If you rush, you spend more time changing trains and hotels than enjoying the country. For a first trip, a simple route is better. Tokyo, Kyoto, and Osaka already give you city life, tradition, food, temples, shopping, and day trips. If you have more time, add Nara, Hiroshima, Hakone, or Mount Fuji. Japan is not only about famous landmarks, it is about small details, quiet streets, train station meals, vending machines, temple gardens, local bakeries, tiny ramen shops, and peaceful neighbourhoods. So before visiting Japan, remember this: plan ahead, use public transport, get an IT card, carry some cash, respect local manners, try more than sushi, and do not rush every destination. Japan becomes much easier when you travel with patience and awareness. Subscribe to the Wanderer Atlas for more travel guides, destination tips, and practical advice for exploring the world.